So, in the previous class we have discussed about the what are the benefits by the microbes in household products, and not only that, in industrial level, how microbes are helpful for the production of different food products in the large scale. It may be beverages, okay, bread or other things. So here today, not only food products and household food products, there are many other products also produced by the microbes. So let us see the best example for the other products produced from the microbes is antibiotics. So what are the antibiotics? Which organisms produce the antibiotics? How antibiotics are helpful for the human welfare? Let us see today. Are a fan of it? When? So here antibiotics. What is? Look into the word antibiotics. Here two terms are there. Antibiotics. Anti means against. Anti means against. Bio means life. So against to life. Antibiotics are against life. So which life? The life of us or other. So it is against to the life of the infectious microorganisms. Infectious microorganisms, not humans. For microbes which are causing diseases to us, it is anti. The antibiotics are which are anti to which life? The microorganisms which cause infections and diseases in us. So this is anti to the disease causing microbes. It is antibiotics are anti to the disease causing microbes. So but pro life for others. But humans, they are pro life. They save our life. That's why they pro for human life, anti for the microorganisms life. Anti for the microorganisms life, but pro for the human life. They save the human life and kill the microbes which are causing diseases. Next, what is the definition of the antibiotic? Let us see. Antibiotics are nothing but they are chemical substances. They are chemical substances which are obtained from microbes and can kill other microbes. So these antibiotics are extracted from which microbes only, some microorganisms, and they will act and kill on which organisms? Other microorganisms. Okay na? So antibiotics are obtained from, they are come from the microbes and they will act on the microbes. This is very important. They are chemical substances which are comes from the microbes and can kill or retard the growth of the other microbes. So this is about the simple definition. They are chemical substances, they are obtained from the microbes and they will act on the microbes. Which microbes? Disease causing microbes. For example, here, what is the best well-known antibiotic is the penicillin. You know, penicillin is the first antibiotic isolated and identified. Penicillin. So how it was discovered? First, it is discovered by the penicillin. First discovered by the presence of penicillin, and its action is first discovered by Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming is a Scotland scientist. He first observed that the penicillin, one chemical penicillin, it is stopping the growth of the some bacteria. So how he has observed first time? He has observed this action of the penicillin accidentally. While he is culturing one bacteria, Staphylococcus. While he is culturing and growing of Staphylococcus, he observed that the Staphylococcus bacteria unable to grow in around the one mold in fungus. Around the one fungus, they stopped growing. Around the one fungus, they stopped growing. The Staphylococcus. So around the some array. This Staphylococcus bacteria stopped growing around the one fungus. Mold means one fungus. Around some fungus, the Staphylococcus bacteria could not grow. So he observed that the Alexander Fleming that this fungus is producing something that stopping the growing of the staphylococci. This fungus, one mold, it is stopping the growth of the this bacteria by producing some chemical. This chemical is nothing but penicillin. So one mold he observed that mold producing one chemical. That chemical act to stop the growing of the staphylococci. So this chemical is then isolated later. It is called penicillin. The mold, the fungus is called penicillium. Penicillium. So the fungus which is producing the penicillin is called penicillium. Penicillium notatum. Okay, na? So this is about the discovery of the penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Next one, just he identified that it is the chemical, it is the stopping the growth of the staphylococci, but its full potential as it is antibiotic. Two scientists worked on the full potential to reveal the full potential of the penicillin. So two scientists, Ernest Chain is one and another one Howard Florey. These two scientists extensively studied on penicillin, antibiotic penicillin. Then they developed it as an antibiotic. And told the world that they can be used to treat the diseases, mainly wounds. So during World War II, the penicillin is extensively used for the treatment of American soldiers. So for discovery of and its importance of for discovering it and identifying its importance, three awarded the Nobel Prize in 1945. Who are the three members? One is the Alexander Fleming. The next one is Ernest Chain and third one Howard Florey. Okay, these three scientists awarded Nobel Prize in 1945. So this penicillin is extensively used to wounded soldiers in the war. Others, streptomycin. So this is the one antibiotic first isolated. Then there are many antibiotics later discovered. For example, streptomycin, tetracycline, neomycin, erythromycin. Streptomycin is obtained from Streptomyces graeus. Tetracycline is obtained from Streptomyces rhinosus. Okay. Tetracycline is also antibiotic. It is obtained from Streptomyces rhinosus. Next, neomycin. It is also antibiotic. It is obtained from the same Streptomyces fridei. Next, third one is erythromycin. Erythromycin is obtained from Streptomyces erythraeus. So these are the four antibiotics obtained from the same mold, same fungus. This is a fungus. Streptomyces graeus, Streptomyces rhinosus, Streptomyces fridei, Streptomyces erythraeus. So these are the other examples for the antibiotics. So this is about the antibiotics. Antibiotics are antibiotic. They are against the microorganisms which cause diseases in the human's life. So with reference to the disease causing microbes, it is anti. With reference to the humans, for us, it is a pro. Okay? With reference to the humans, it is a pro. With reference to the disease causing microbes, it is anti. So definition of antibiotic is it is a chemical substances they are obtained from the microbes and can kill or retard the growth of the other microbes. Simply, they are chemical substances obtained from the microbes and act on the microbes. So the well-known example is the penicillin. This is the first discovered antibiotic. So it is discovered by the Alexander Fleming. How he discovered it? Not by doing the experiments. He accidentally observed that around one fungus penicillin, Staphylococci bacteria could not growing. So it was not showing the growth around the fungus. So he concluded that this fungus penicillium, this fungus penicillium is stopping the growth of the Staphylococci. So then he observed that how it could stop by producing one chemical. That chemical is nothing but penicillin. So penicillin's full potential is penicillin's full potential is revealed by two scientists, Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. So during World War, after they developing it, penicillin into an antibiotic, it was extensively used during World War II for the treating of American soldiers. Then that's why this great discovery, for the great discovery of this penicillin discovery, the three scientists were awarded with Nobel Prize in 1945. Who are they? One is Alexander Fleming for the discovery, and Ernest Chain and Howard Florey for the revealing its importance. So what are the other examples for the antibiotics? Streptomycin, tetracycline, neomycin, erythromycin. This is about the antibiotics which are obtained from the microbes. So microbes are also helpful for the improvement of our health with the help of antibiotics. Antibiotics we can obtain from the microorganisms.